I don't want this to be a stewy dish that eats like a soup, but I do want a really rich sauce. I'll start by getting the onion, celery, and carrots all diced up. Start making a sauce with herbs, liquid, and oil. That smells amazing so far, but I'm really going to pump up the flavor with the spices and dry ingredients. This will all begin to thicken into a sauce. Next, add the chopped vegetables. You can remove these later if you wish, but they add flavor and aroma. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Add the cinnamon stick whole. Put all of this into a pressure cooker and cook on high for 45 minutes. Let the pressure release naturally. This will take about 25 to 30 minutes more. After they're cooked, remove the cinnamon stick and remove the aromatics. Add just a bit of vinegar before serving. You want a sauce that completely coats the bottom of the plate. I'll just put these oxtails on a nice plate, then add the rest of the sauce. Finally, add some garnish to the top of the dish.